In this video, I will show you how to get a discount on Claude Pro subscription. First, open your web browser and search for Claude AI discount codes. You will find different websites that offer promotional codes and deals. Choose a trusted discount website and look for the available Claude Pro promo codes over there. Now, once you have found it, copy the code you want or select the option to get the deal directly if available. Next, open Claude AI website and sign into your account. Go to subscription or upgrade section and enter the promo code during the checkout process. If the code is valid, the discount will be applied to your Claude Pro subscription before you complete the payment. If the code is not valid, you can simply head back over to the same website and look for another valid code. Keep in mind that promo codes may have expiration dates, availability restrictions, or may only work for certain users or regions. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.